Hey everyone, I am Arush Dixit and you are watching Connect Tech Arush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are continuing our Python series and this is our part 20, and in this video I am going to discuss about the file IO in Python. So let's go to our computer screen and get started. So now firstly let me tell you what is file IO. File IO means we have to manipulate with files in file IO. Suppose I create a file arush.txt and here I want to write a thing in this file. Suppose this is written from Python. We want to write in this file. So can you do that with the knowledge that you have? No, because we have to use file IO. We have not learned file IO anymore. So let's learn this thing. So here we have a keyword called with. With keyword defines that we are using open arush.txt. Now what is open function? I will tell you the meaning of with keyword. Just wait. Here I write the open and here I have to write the mode. And suppose I want to write, so I am writing it like this, as f. Now we are saying that with the with keyword we want to define this thing, this all thing with help of this f. Now instead of typing this whole thing, we can simply write here f. Simply write here f and it will work. Now let me tell you what is open key. Now let me tell you what is open function. So in open function we open this file with the modes. Now what are modes? Mode means what the permission you give the Python. If you want to write in Python, then you will use w mode. It means we are only giving the permission for writing, not for reading. So if you want to read, then we can pass here read, and if you want to append in that file, then we will use a plus. So just like that, there are several modes. You can study that on many websites. So we are using write mode. I will tell you the basic modes of this thing, but for other modes, and they are very advanced. So for that I prefer the Python official website, and in Python official websites there are many things. You can simply go to the modes of the file IO section and you will see all the modes. Even you can learn that also. That is very useful dictionary. So here I have opened my arush.txt file with w permission. So I am writing f.write. I am writing this is written by the Python of file IO. Let's save this and run. Yeah, it's running. So it is writing right now. And when it will over, then you will see a magic. There is nothing written. When I will close this, and I am waiting for its running. It has stopped right now. So I will run it again.